Hey friends, tired of clutter on your Mac? Today I will show you how to delete a user account safely and easily so your Mac feels fresh and just yours again. Let's get started. Click on Apple menu and here you will find System Preferences or click on System Preferences on Dock. Click on Users and Groups icon. Click on Log to make change here. Type your administrator password and click on Unlock. Select the user which you want to delete. Click on minus icon on lower right corner. Are you sure you want to delete this user account? And you will find three options. First one, save the home folder in disk image. Second one, don't change the home folder. And third one, delete the home folder. I'm selecting third one, delete the home folder. Now click on delete user and the user account is deleted. That's it friends, your Mac is now clean and ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more Mac tips.